All right, Todd's back, full forecast, and a little chilly out there today.
It is.
A little bit.
Yeah, we haven't had any shortage of cold.
Right.
We have, though, in many communities, been short on snow this season. This is seasonal snowfall, and we're about 10 inches below the average pace here, which is up around 28 inches of snow for Portland, and even more than that in Bangor. So quite a deficit in both Portland and Bangor. Not quite as big, though, for Caribou. We're close to the average after getting, 6 to 8 inches over the earlier part of this week with that storm. Again, no shortage of cold. Can't blame it on that. We've had it, and it's real cold outside this morning. A lot of single digits above and below zero. And there's just enough wind where we're getting some nasty wind chills up north. Wind chill advisories for a couple of more hours, then the wind starts to settle down, and those temperatures will actually rise nicely today too. And by afternoon, a lot of us will be pressing through 30 degrees. We do have cold high pressure in charge right now, but a clipper system is racing our way, and it does have some snow with it, and it'll drop some snow over most of the state as we move through later this morning and into the afternoon. So clouds are racing in right now. They're going to thicken up early this morning. And yes, it's starting real cold, but I do expect temperatures to be rising through the 20s midday and approaching 30 degrees, especially along the coastline. Now, this is when we're going to see a little burst of snow, and it is going to happen for the northern half of the state. It's less likely to happen across the far south, but with this snow and the cold temperatures, roads will get slick in a lot of spots. And then those snow showers clip to the east. We'll have a fast late day taper. The breeze will get busy out of the south, which is a good direction for us because it's coming off that milder water. And look at these temperatures at the end of the day, actually above 30 in a lot of spots. So while it's really cold right now, it's going to feel much better later on. So here's a little snow map. Coatings are possible for the coastline down into York County. A lot of the Route 2 area, including Bangor, back through Rumford, sees 1 to 2 inches. And there may be slightly more through the Central Highlands and also for the western Maine mountains. So we'll add a little bit of snowpack as we approach the second half of the week. By tomorrow, that front is now offshore, and here we go again. Another very cold air mass is working our way, and it looks bitter by Friday with highs only in the teens. At that point, we'll be watching the deep south. Along the front, there'll be an area of low pressure. And if you recall yesterday, we were talking about does the low travel right up the coastline and get us with a big storm over the weekend, or does it stay more out to sea and miss us? And I'm thinking it's the out to sea track, which means we miss out on a big snowfall this weekend. In fact, we miss out on almost all snowfall this weekend, and it just stays seasonably cold all weekend long, which is fine because we get to enjoy the snow that we got earlier this week. It's not going to be melting away at all. Marine forecast from the National Weather Service sees building today up to 6 to 9 feet, and those winds are going to get gusty out of the southwest to 40 knots. Light snow and flurries possible through the day, high temperature around 30. We go to tomorrow, we'll see clearing in the afternoon. It's going to be getting colder, though. We'll start out around 30 degrees, and then those temperatures fall into the 20s. Frigid on Friday, very cold for Saturday morning. That storm will be a miss, so we'll just have some clouds overhead. Sunday, flurries possible with another front. And then as you can see, it's going to stay cold early next week as well, with a chance for a little snow here again on Tuesday afternoon. At the moment, Lee, I don't see any big storms for us, maybe not until the middle of next week, so a nice quiet stretch for the most part. But there will be some snow as we head into the middle part of the day today. A little light snow.
A lot of twos on your forecast.
Yeah.
Not liking that.
That's not my lucky number.
Make those threes. Fours would be great.
Yeah, how about 5?
I'll take a 3. Let's meet in the middle. Let's go with 3s.
Okay.
Or 7. Fine, thank you.